Well, here's the tank going in. I just showed up. I'm a little late. Looks like.
Gotta go back that way about 2.5 minutes.
Damn, it looks big and it looks heavy. We got a guy up there, hard to see, who's actually running it.
Now you gotta come back this way. When you move out, you gotta adjust it.
Yeah, these guys are a lot braver than I am. I wouldn't be anywhere near this thing because I would have this fear of it dropping uncontrollably. We have the little ditch. Oh, nice drain. Went all the way down here. To the holding tank, and then it actually has an electric pump which pumps it into the mound system. Very interesting. I sort of know what they are, but I've never seen one installed. What a lucky day for me. All right, there'll be more later. Bye.